Hi, my name is Jason Hall. I'm the Vice President of Research and Culinary Development at Southbend, and today we're going to talk about Truvapor. Truvapor is sometimes referred to as a combi oven. We can steam, we can convection roast, and we can do both. We can combination cook. In my definition as a chef, it would not be defined as a combi oven. Combi ovens, typically you're looking at having the ability to be able to low temperature steam and monitor relative humidity. That's all done with a lambda sensor, which allows us to drop that temperature to a very low degree and fully saturate the cabinet, like you're cooking in a water bath. In Truvapor, however, you don't have that sensor and you don't have that ability to do low temperature steaming. We can add steam to dry heat. We can add moisture to items as we cook them at a lower convection temperature, but we don't have the ability to drop that temperature all the way down. Some of the benefits, however, of being able to do this in this oven is, number one, the low profile. This oven can be built into a cooking suite. We have it here on legs. However, it can be double stacked. It can be the oven base for a range, a flat top, a char grill, French cooktop, anything like that. That really helps to assist you with steam cooking in a tight landscape. You know, if this was a combi oven, it would be taking up a large portion of your cooking line. But with Truvapor, it's meant to be able to build into a suite or battery, or just be the base as a convection oven. Because of its size, it doesn't take up a whole lot of room. This can be kind of put anywhere. It has the same oven capacity as a convection oven, so we can still put in 5 full sheet trays. We can use it as a full steamer, we can use it as full convection, and then we have the options to do both. Someone wants to do breads in the morning, we can use that steam assist to do bread. Someone wants to use it as a finishing oven at night on the a la carte line, we can set the settings so you have a percentage of steam that's going to benefit that piece of fish or steak or chicken or whatever it is they're cooking to speed up the process, add moisture to the product, and also finish the product a little bit faster.